Oh my god. Okay. It's been too long,
So long.
girl.
Oh
How
my
have
God.
you been?
Yeah,
I've just got so much going on.
Yeah, I
like,
can
I'm super
see that.
busy. No, I'm sorry. I
Why
work.
don't you just
Work.
Why don't take a
Okay.
minute? Okay,
No,
take
all
a
right.
minute.
No, I'm
Calm
sorry.
down.
They are going to fire me any minute. I know it. But anywho, how have you been? Tell me everything. I want to know everything. How's Fred?
Oh, he took the cats. He took the fucking cat. He took my cats. So
You know what? I want to hear all about it. But I gotta go.
I wish I had more time.
We should do this again. Drink soon?
Dude, we haven't even ordered lunch. And
You know what? You eat an extra lunch on me.
Okay. Yeah.
You know, and dessert too. You deserve it. Okay? Love you, girl.
Well,
All
I
right.
love you. Mwah.
Bye.